Cracks in Aam Aadmi Party now wide open as the former party members speak out against the leadership. Rebel AAP leaders have questioned the functioning of the party, even accusing Arvind Kejriwal of favoritism. So will Kejriwal break his silence and defend himself?
Inqilab! Inqilab!
Prominent civil society members taking up the fight for the Aam Aadmi, echoing the angst of a billion Indians. The commander Anna Hazare and his loyal Lieutenant Kejriwal capturing the imagination of an entire generation. But now, there are more than just gaping chinks in Team Kejriwal's armour.
He lacks organizational ability. He doesn't have that kind of competence which can spread the message of the party all over India, which can quickly create all elected structures of the party.
In fact, deep cracks emerged right after the elections when its tallest leaders abandoned the party.
If there's a fight between the cult and the cause, most of us are with the cause. And I think Shanti Bhushan's opinion is just not a mere opinion. It's an opinion of a very senior leader, of a very seasoned leader, of a very concerned citizen, just like many volunteers and myself included feels likewise.
Kejriwal's 49-day bailout from the Delhi government and his simultaneous decision to challenge Modi were heavily criticized.
What is required is political maturity which comes from experience. And the kind of immaturity and the agitational politics that you've seen of the Aam Aadmi Party, and it remains in a sense of denial towards its own self.
First the disillusionment of the electorate, now his own team. And the damage control only appeared half-hearted.
Mr. Shanti Bhushan has been unhappy for the last 2 months. He has been asking and demanding that party should contest election in Haryana and Yogendra Yadav should be projected as a chief ministerial candidate, but the PAC and the National Executive has a different opinion.
What Mr. Shanti Bhushan has expressed are his personal views, which would have been better if they had been discussed within the party forum rather than being expressed publicly.
His decision to take the political plunge is debatable. But for a chief minister to leave his state in the lurch is unacceptable. After the voters, Kejriwal's party too seems to have had enough of his street politics. Bureau Report, Times Now.